Good day guys, in this video I'll be teaching you guys on how to find the area of triangles. Now let's get right to it guys. So first of all guys, let's understand how can we find the area of a triangle with the formula. So the area of a triangle is the base times the height. So base times height divided by 2. Alright guys, the base times height divided by 2. Now in this case guys, in question number A, as you can see, we have totally 3 dimensions, right? We have base, height, and the hypotenuse. Now the way that we can find the height easily guys is you can know that the height can be found wherever two lines are perpendicular to each other. Alright guys, that's how we find the height of any 2D shape. Now let's substitute the values now. So we have base is equal to 5 cm multiplied with the height, which is 12 cm divided by 2. Now in this case guys, either we can simplify the 2 and 12 first, or we can multiply and divide by 2. I'll show you both the steps. Alright guys, so first if we multiply it, we're going to have 60 centimeter square divided by 2, which is going to give us 30 centimeter square. All right, now let me use another color. So let's say we simplify it first. We know 2 and 12 can simplify itself, right guys? So 2 will change to 1 and 12 will change to 6. So what do we have left? So we have 5 cm times 6 cm, which is also 30 cm square. All right guys, so whichever method you guys use, the answer will always be the same. Now let's go to one more question guys. Again, the area is equal to the base times height divided by 2. Alright guys, now what is the base and what is the height? Again guys, the base and height will be found by looking at the perpendicular side. Okay, perpendicular side means where two sides they intersect itself or they touch itself, which is creating a right angle or 90 degrees. All right, so what do we have here guys? We have 14 meter times 48 meter divided by 2. Again here I'm going to simplify it first. So 2 will change to 1, 14 will change to 7. All right, so what do we have now? We have 7 meter times 48 meter, which is, let's multiply it, 48 times 7, 7 8 56, right? 7 8 56, 6 down, 5 up, 7 4 28, 28 plus 5 is 33, which is 336 meter square. All right, 336 meter square. Now for question number 3 guys, what I want you guys to do is I want you guys to hit pause, try and do it by yourself, and comment below your answer guys, so I know that if you understood or not. Let's see if you guys got the correct answer. All right, so again, always guys, we want to start with the formula. So area is the base times height divided by 2. All right, so what do we have here? Again, if you take a look at it, the height is created when the perpendicular lines are made. Okay guys, so we have 24 millimeter multiplied with the height, which is 19 millimeter divided by 2. All right, again, let's go and simplify them. 2 will change to 1, 24 will change to 12, right? So we have 12 millimeter times 19 millimeter, which is, let's multiply them, 12 times 19, 9 to 8, 1, which will give us 10, 2, 1, which will give us 8, 2, 2. And if you guys don't know how to multiply guys, I'll make sure to leave a link in the description below so you guys can go check it out. And the final answer here guys will be 228 millimeter square. Always guys, do not forget to put the units as they are very, very important. Now I really hope you enjoyed this video guys. If you did, don't forget to click on that like button and comment below if you want me to solve any particular topic. Until next time guys, have a nice day.